Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and I hope you are preparing well for the RRB PO prelims. So now there is 2 days left for the RRB PO prelims whose exam is on 1st of August. So this is the mock test challenge for tomorrow. So for tomorrow there is one prelims mock test, not more. I will only attempt one prelims mock test and after that the next day I will not attempt any mock test. So this will be the last mock test of this mock test challenge series. If your exam is on 8th of August, then you can keep attempting the mock test more. Then there is 10 mixed puzzles of prelims level because puzzles are also important, so try to practice each type of puzzles. Then there is maths speed test, so try to do it on regular basis. It contains 10 simplification, 10 approximation, 10 number series and 10 quadratic questions. Then there is daily current affairs and previous current affairs revision, because current affairs are very important for the mains examination also, and if we keep doing the current affairs on daily basis, then it will not be a burden in the mains time. That's why. And for current affairs I am using affairs cloud. You can also go for it, as the content of affairs cloud is very good. I will give you the link of affairs cloud in description, and by using my code you will get extra 10% discount also. Then there is editorial reading and vocabulary and arithmetic practice as well, because I was practicing arithmetic earlier also, so I will keep practicing arithmetic tomorrow and the day after tomorrow also, because I am practicing the level 1 questions to revise the concept, as I have covered arithmetic earlier. And one more thing is that the Guidely PDF course offer is still on, the 50% offer, and plus by my code you will get extra 12%. So there is 62% discount. So there is total of 62% discount, okay, 50 plus 12%. And the PDF courses, like the PDF is available for all the upcoming examinations and as well as for pre and mains, and the PDFs are available in both the languages, and they provide video solutions for the doubts also. So that's all for tomorrow. I hope you can do well for the examination and just practice for the examination very well in the last days. So that's all. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your examinations.